Stamping is a common metal processing technique that typically involves applying force through a die to shape metal. During the stamping process, a metal sheet is placed in a hydraulic press, and pressure is applied through the die, deforming the metal to achieve the desired shape. XIRO's hydraulic presses are characterized by high precision, high efficiency, and low cost. They use a servo system to ensure an accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 millimeters and stable pressure of plus or minus 1 bar. By reducing noise and oil temperature, they save 50 to 70% of electricity, thereby extending the equipment's lifespan. The products are robust and durable, constructed with heavy-duty materials to ensure the rigidity and stable operation of the equipment. The 4-column structure and open work table design make the equipment user-friendly and easy to maintain, while providing adjustable pressure, stroke, and pressing time to meet various needs. The advanced system is equipped with a bidirectional cartridge valve, offering high reliability and minimal hydraulic impact. The main hydraulic cylinder is made of alloy cast steel with fine grinding, capable of withstanding high pressure, and features high production efficiency with fast forward and return speeds. The PLC control system supports multi-stage pressure, multi-speed, and continuous constant pressure functions, and includes an automatic alarm and fault diagnosis system to ensure operational safety. Additionally, we offer a variety of optional configurations such as protective covers, anti-drop devices, LED lighting, infrared grating, hydraulic drive pads, ejectors, pins, edge pressing devices, and high-speed sliders to meet diverse your needs. For more information about the applications and advantages of servo presses, feel free to contact XIRO Technology Co, Limited. You can visit our official website at https://11euromachinery.com or reach us via email at luna@xirotech.cn. We look forward to hearing from you.